Hello, it's Daniel here from JSCraft. In this short tutorial, I would like to speak with you about the useClient directive from NextJs. Let's take the following NextJs page. We just have a simple component that just uses the useEffect hook and displays h1. If I will try to run this page, we will see that we are getting the following error. You are importing a component that needs useEffect. Exactly the same thing will happen if here I will try and add a component that uses the useState and tries to display that variable. The only difference being that now we are getting this error, you are importing a component that needs useState. In order to fix these errors, we will need here to add the useClient directive from NextJs. Now, with this directive added, if I will save, you will see that our new page can now use the useState hook and display that state variable. Okay, a few considerations about this useClient. First of all, keep in mind that the useClient needs to be first in the file before any other imports, for example, like this useState import from React. Second, keep in mind that we should try to keep the client components at a minimum. The NextJS server components are much more performant, so try to avoid using client components as much as possible. Next, the server components cannot be used directly in a client component. Next, when shall we use these client components? First of all, use the useClient directive for React hooks, for example, useState or useEffect. We should also use this directive when we have event listeners. For example, if we want to do something when we click on this element or something similar. And finally, we should use this directive when we have browser-only APIs. For example, when we try to use local storage or document or a window. So, in a nutshell, this is how you should fix the errors that come with the useClient directive from NextJS. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and if you want to see more tutorials, you can also check out my blog. The link is in the description below. Thanks and see you the next time. Cheers!